In this video, we are going to show you how to create a new project, how to upload the contour of the site, and how to set the program of the master plan and the vision that you want to have for your design. So in order to do it, you have to click on the New Project tab, and then you have to enter the name of the project. Let's call it Urban Block. Then you can also enter small description. So I'm going to type residential urban district, since this is what I want to design. Let's say that we are to work in Moscow, and then you can also enter the client for which you are working. You have the chance also to upload an image so that you can identify the project, and then you just have to create the project. So as you can see, the project has been created successfully, and now the only thing that you have to do is to upload the DXF of your site. This DXF must contain the contour of the site and also existing or planned areas. If you don't have one, we have here 3 examples, one that is a small scale one, medium scale, and a large scale. And if you have doubts and you don't know exactly the rules that you have to follow to upload your DXF, you just have to click on See More Details and you will find all the information here. Okay, so let's go and let's try to download this example here. And then we just have to click on Import Geometry and upload the DXF of the site. Okay, so CityPlane has recognized the site for you. So as you can see here, you have the contour of the site, and you also have the contour of existing or planned green areas, open spaces, facilities, current building areas that already exist, or tertiary uses. You have a set of small charts here that are indicating you the percentage of these different uses that you have here in the master plan. And you also have the chance to right-click on one of these areas and select the level of protection. Fully protected means that the road network cannot cross this particular area, and partially protected means that it could cross it. So once you're happy with the result, you just have to click on Save and Continue. And you have to create the first scenario within the project. A project is related to a site, a specific site, and within a site you can create multiple scenarios so that you can compare your design. I'm going to name this one Program and Vision, since that's what I'm going to define here, and I'm going to say that this is scenario number 1. So I just have to create it. All right. So now we see that we have a set of connection points here. As you can see, this road is crossing this area that was protected. So CityPlane is warning you and saying, hey, that's not possible. So if you just move this connection point slightly down, then the software will find a viable option for the master plan structure. Okay, so here we have 3 main tabs. In this one, Program Parameters, we are going to enter the program of the site, the required program of the site. We just need very basic data like the floor area ratio, the number of inhabitants per dwelling, the average built area per dwelling. Let's say it's going to be 85 square meters, for instance. Also the density per hectare. And then you just have to enter the program of the site, like, tertiary uses, open spaces, also the percentage of facilities that you're going to have, educational facilities, sports, sanitary, cultural, or other facilities. And you just have to enter also the parking radius, like the number of parkings that you will have per dwelling, the number of parkings that you will have per 50 each 50 square meters of tertiary uses, the percentage of street parking, and also underground parking and parking hubs. Okay. Yes, I want to point out one thing here, and is that the total built area that CityPlane is estimating for you can be estimated in 2 different ways, either using the number of units or the density. And you can control this, modifying these parameters that you have here. So once you have these, you can also click on this Open Territory Balance button, and then you will have a brief description of the surfaces and the areas that you have already defined regarding the urban structure, current building areas, open spaces, facilities, and tertiary uses. And if we are progressing and designing more, this table is going to be much more detailed and is going to include much more data. Okay, so that's it for defining the program and the vision of the site. So see you guys in the next video.